Hey, so will be the devlog of the stream number 5, number 6, and number 7 of the Orbital Search development journey. So on 5, 6, and 7, I cannot make the devlog individually because works has been too much lately, so I'm going to just compile it into one video. So the first thing in the stream number 5, actually it was about fixing more animation in UE5. So stream number 4 is about creating the strafing animation directly in UE5. So I figured out that I can do it using the level sequence. I put the metahumans in and then I add the controllers later. Basically just put the skeletal mesh animation first and then I add control rig later, and then the control rig I just right click and then convert to layer. That way we can do the edit directly. And then turns out that method is having a broken result, maybe because we are not animating it with the head, since the body and the head is separated in the metahuman. I haven't figured out how to successfully editing and having it work, but basically to fix the broken head or detached head is just like in the number 5 stream, fixing the detached head. And I also made a video special to that part, fix detached head on MetaHuman's custom animation without any blueprint, because I searched a lot on the YouTube. Basically the how to fix it is just through a animation blueprint. I did so this part, I did so this tutorial. All of them are using animation blueprint or some sort of tweak, but I figured that my problem was originally from the animation itself, basically just not having the head animated. Maybe the head is animated but it just doesn't have the same animation with the metahuman. So what I do is basically just retargeting it to Lyra's mannequin and then retargeting it to the metahuman skeletal mesh. With that, the detached head is fixed completely. And then the next stream, I basically made jumping, just the animation. Jumping usually use this kind of states. So it has fall loop, jump loop, and to falling. So on the start of the fall, it goes here. On the looping on the fall, it's here, and it just jump, it's another state. Or in this one, many of the tutorials that I seen before, the jumping mechanic use 4 states or 3 states minimal. And the stream I actually use just a bunch of booleans, basically to just if it's falling and then there's another boolean that follows it, it's falling still using a delay. So it enters the falling state for the start of the falling, it jump animation when it start to fall, and then it blends into the falling loop using the second boolean, and that logic goes the same with the landing. So every time we land, we just play the start of the landing animation, and then on the loop is basically just the loop itself. Yeah, on the end of the stream, basically succeeded. So basically if we jump, it start jump and then it goes to the jump loop, jump or falling loop. But when we fall and it's land, it goes to the landing loop, landing start, and then goes to the normal unarmed blend space, like that. So that saves a bunch of states, and I think since we are going to have a lot of states for the various weapons, this will be helping a lot. So in the last stream, in the 007 live stream, basically it's about pistol. At the beginning of the stream, I was going to search for other solution. I was beginning to search other animation maybe, but it costs a little bit much, and I figured out I will try use the Lyra again. So I did use the Lyra. I found that it's better to just animate or edit the animation from the Lyra sample itself. So in the last stream, or the stream number 007, this time I just directly edit them directly in the Lyra's mannequin skeletal mesh itself. So I add the skeletal mesh to the sequencer, and then I add the control rig, and then convert the control rig to layered. Not all of them needing this. Some are just need to blend the animation from one animation and another. So some are just requiring that, but some are just need to rotating the hips, rotating the body, and then saving it as a diagonal animation. And once all of the animation from that level sequence is exported and imported again as a Lyra skeletal animation, I directly retarget it to the MetaHumans animation, and that basically just works. This time we just only need to retarget one more time. And then that basically it. So right now we have locomotion for completely unarmed and then the pistol locomotion. We're going to set it up with the aim button and all of that, so we're going to set it up today. I expect this to finish tomorrow if everything goes into plan. And yeah, that's basically it. That's what I achieved for a week, basically. Thank you for watching.